study, I want you to imagine the world where technology is not just a tool, but a bridge that connects to dream to reality. For many people, a computer is just a machine, but for me, it's a canvas. Over past 2 years, I have spent days and nights at the boarding school. Not just studying, but a building. I have learned behind every great application. There is a story of hard work, curiosity, and vision to make a world a better place. I'm studying here because I believe that the future does who present prepare for it today. Before I continue my slide, I want to introduction myself first. My name is Nasha Latifah Putri. Usually people call me Hana and Nasha. And I was born in Pekanbaru on October 28, 2009. I'm currently in 11th grade. I'm currently in 11th grade, majoring in software engineer. My hobbies now are reading book, watching drama, and cooking. Reading book and watching drama teach me about how to storytelling and human emotion. And cooking learn me about patience and how to say sabar. Patient. And I have one cat in home. The name is Blackie. I give name Blackie because all of the color is black, and he Persia and local cat. Moving forward, I want to explain about my major. At the first, I was still confused about my major to choose for college studies. But now, I know what major should I choose, which is software engineering. At the first, I want to change major, but I think it will be hard to me because I must learn from zero and better continue my major right now. And because sometimes I will do like moving major because sometimes I'm bored with my major right now. But when I think when I move in major, I will do like learn new major from zero, and it will be hard to me. And when I choose this major, I say to myself, I will continue this major until my career path. And then my reason to choose this major. The first is strong academic foundation. Leveraging my specialist background in software engineer from vocational high school to course advanced global standards. And the second is future career. Inspired by my mom, advice to choose an irreplaceable profession. I believe that even with the rise of AI, the world will always need human innovation to lead digital development. Because when I grad, my mom said to me, we choose senior high school or vocational high school, because when you senior high school, when you learn, you still confused about to continue the major to continue for college study. But when you choose vocational high school, you cannot change your major because you must continue your major from vocational high school until your career path. And I choose software engineer because in the end just there is design, and engineer and software engineer, and I don't like design. Because of that, I choose software engineer. And I think if software engineer cannot replaced by AI, because AI still need human and still need the developer. And the last is the power to create. Moving beyond being a consumer to becoming a creator who builds meaningful technological solution of real world problem. Because when I see a web and application, before I hear how to create the application and website, and I want to become the creator. And right now, it's just this image. And it brings me to most important destination of the Monash University. The first, I see Monash University in my my FYP TikTok. There is some girl use like Almed Monash University, and I still confused because that the first time I see Almed Monash University, and I search in Google what is Monash University, and what first I search Monash University there is in Melbourne, but it's so far to my home, and I think my mom it will not allow to me go to Melbourne because I don't because it's far to Indonesia, and Monash University there is in Indonesia and Malaysia, but I don't want to choose Indonesia. In Indonesia, in Tangerang, I think, because I ever search and that's it. Indonesia, in Tangerang. Why this university? The first is academic alignment. The behavior of information technology curriculum perfectly complement my software engineering foundation from SMK IDN, allowing for a seamless transition advanced studies. Because I choose the software engineer because in vocational high school, my major sent to continue my college study, and in Monash University there is program engineer and information technology. There is the different software development. In information technology there is software development, but in engineer there is software engineer. The difference is for software development we just learn about how to make and how to create application and website, but in software engineer we learn all about software, and we learn too about how to create application and website. And the second reason is top 50 global ranking. Enrolling in a world-class institution ranked among the top 50 global ensures that I receive a prestigious education recognized by the international teaching community. Last time when I checked, Monash University in 38 ranking global, and the third reason is strategic location. Monash Malaysia provide a high quality international learning environment that is strategically close to Indonesia, offering a global experience while staying connected to home. Because from my home to Malaysia to Kuala Lumpur is just around 50 minutes, because when we from Jakarta it's around 1 hour 50 minutes I think, and from my home the ticket is just not until 1 million but like around 600 and 500. And the fourth reason is cutting edge. facilitates access to advanced technology labs and modern research, provide the necessary tools for practical innovation and hands-on experience in software development. And the last is global networking, the opportunity to collaborate with a diverse community of international students and industry experts will help me build a strong global professional network. And the last is my conclusion. My conclusion is, as the dedicated software engineering student with a solid vocational foundation from SMK IDN, I'm fully prepared to transition into a global academic environment. I'm happily motivated to contribute to the technology industry and achieve professional growth through the Bachelor of Information Technology program. It's my great ambition to join Monash University, where I can transform my passion into meaningful innovation and become a world-class engineer who creates impactful solutions for the future. Maybe that's all for my presentation today. Sorry if I didn't there's any mistake.